So out of the Omar McLeod controversy blossoms what I think is a brilliant suggestion that going forward, Jamaica as a country and the J3s as a federation should make it a policy to allow our reigning Olympic champions the privilege of an automatic spot on the next Olympic team to allow them to defend their title with the conditions that the athletes must show the requisite form and attain the qualifying standard. So in events where Jamaica has a reigning Olympic champion, that champion would be guaranteed one spot for the next Olympics, and the top two finishers at the trials in that event would fill the other two spots. So like for this Olympics, for example, we had Usain Bolt, Elaine Thompson, and Omar McLeod as champions. Bolt is retired. But for the Tokyo Olympics, Elaine and McLeod would get the automatic spots to defend their title. And remember though, this would have to be a stated policy going forward. Olympic champions are indeed a rare breed. So despite all of Jamaica's Olympic achievements, we have had relatively few Olympic champions. And as a grateful nation, we would simply be putting some additional respect to the name and status of Jamaica's Olympic champions. What do you think? Brilliant, no?